Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for how I reset my life after 50 with this one habit. I didn't reset my whole life overnight. I didn't wake up one day suddenly confident, clear, and completely changed. It actually started with something much smaller than that. One simple habit that quietly changed everything. When I realized I didn't feel like myself anymore, my initial instinct was to fix everything all at once. My routine, my mindset, my life. But that just made me feel more overwhelmed. Because when everything feels off, you don't need to change everything. You just need to start somewhere. For me, it started with my mornings. Not a perfect routine, not a 5 a.m. wake up, not anything extreme. Just being intentional about how I started each and every day. Before this, my mornings felt reactive. Wake up, check my phone, jump into my day, already feeling behind. And that energy followed me through the whole day. So I made one small change. I stopped reaching for my phone first thing in the morning. That's it. Instead, I gave myself a few quiet moments before the noise, before the outside world, just to check in with myself. And here's what surprised me. It wasn't about the habit itself. It was about what I had created. Clarity, calm, a sense that I was actually in control of my day. Over time, that small shift turned into a simple routine. Sitting with my thoughts instead of scrolling, thinking about how I wanted to feel that day, choosing my outfit with intention, not hurried frustration, moving a little slower, but more deliberately. Nothing complicated, but it changed how I showed up in my life. Because when your mornings feel different, you start to feel different, more grounded, more like yourself. And after 50, that feeling matters more than anything. And the interesting part, that one small change started to affect other areas of my life too. Even the way that I saw myself, my style. In my next video, I'm going to share why my style had to change after 50 and how that played a role in the whole reset, because it's all connected. Until next time, my friends.